Got space for something tasty? Meet the Aldrich almond tree, a California classic and a total nut producer. This 15 to 20 foot tall and wide tree is vigorous, upright, and built to thrive, especially when paired with its buddy nonpareil. Yes, it needs a pollinizer. Expect plump, medium-sized sweet almonds with a well-sealed, medium-hard shell, perfect for snacking or baking. It blooms with nonpareil, but you'll harvest about 15 days later, typically in mid to late September. It prefers morning sun or afternoon protection and requires about 400 chill hours below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a great fit for zones 8 and up in the right microclimate. Grow your own home harvest with an Aldrich almond tree from Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call us at 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing and edible.